Alright, so we're here, you know, our LA trip continues. We got some good rest after New Year's and the NRG project. We're here at the Nuke Squad house to hook up moneyb with some upgrades to his case and all that. So we're gonna start 2023 with some awesome activations with some people, so let's get it. Alright, yo, so we're at the Nuke Squad house. I'm here with my homie moneyb.
What's good, guys?
Lit. So this is the start of the new year. We're at the Nuke Squad house. So tell everyone, what do you do for the Nuke Squad? Because a lot of things that I've done with the Nuke Squad has been directly through you. Mm-hmm. I'm so grateful to have our relationship.
Yeah, so I manage FaZe swagg, if you guys didn't know, and then also I live in the Nuke Squad house, so literally anything the guys need, I literally help them out. So I'm kind of we have a house manager too, but not here. And then the guys always have me help them with technical stuff and all that. So.
And so you have your own setup too. Mm-hmm. So what games do you play?
Right now I've been playing a lot of Valorant, but I play Call of Duty too.
Yeah. So today, we're making some dope aesthetic improvements to your setup. So what do we really have planned?
So we're gonna switch the gaming PC into the Hyatt Y60, and then we're switching. I had the old Corsair case, and we're switching that into the Razer 11.
So you got the new Hyatt Y60 case, man. Are you excited to get that?
Yeah, for sure. But I saw the one you did for Jay, and I was like, man, I need it.
Lit. Yeah, we did Jay's live, and his reaction was funny.
Yeah, Jay was hyped to get it.
Yeah. So we're about to get started. The team's actually already getting started. We're gonna see how quick we can get this done. It's just a case swap. We've been building so many PCs.
Yeah, so you did 15 for NRG. That's crazy.
Yeah, so and this is the same squad too. So the same squad that just did NRG is about to do your PC. So let's see if we're either fatigued or if we're fucking got it down pat.
Still on it, up.
But all right, well, let's get started. We got the 3080 going into the streaming PC with an Elgato. We also got trimmers on it, some AAA pin trimmers with a nice throwback.
Are you recording? What a bad question to ask after looking right at the camera.
Yep.
Ooh.
Oh my god, it looks so good.
Diet Coke.
Where's my flat? Should still be in the screwdriver.
I'm not leaving this state without a complete set. I'll go back to the energy building.
Oh my god.
I think it was hot to
So do you like this Nuke Squad house better than the other one?
way better. The other one was a lot smaller.
So what are you, Streamlabs or
OBS.
OBS Studio?
Yep.
Should be right there. Alright, yo, so we just wrapped up both builds and we got everything all set up.
Yep.
So how you feeling, man?
I love it, bro. It looks great. I love that case. I just go all the way around.
Nah, I'm glad you got this here as your main setup.
Yeah.
So what was your goal with these upgrades, going to the new year and with your current setup? Are you pretty happy with how your setup is?
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, I pretty much everything I needed. I used to stream a lot more like back then, but I definitely want to get back into it. So I feel like the upgrades give me some motivation.
Nah, I really enjoy working with you because you definitely have, you know, passion about PCs now. I feel like when I first met you, like it was
very vague, yeah.
Yeah, so it was good, man.
Yeah.
Definitely keep it up, and I really do appreciate all the hard work you do.
Of course,
man.
of course.
Man, we always got your back too. You're a fan.
And you guys are awesome. I appreciate you guys coming through, taking the time out of your day to just come through and help me out.
It's a good refresh because
for sure.
Both PCs were from us.
Yep.
And we were able to, you know, identify the kill man.
Yeah, my stream PC was actually the first gaming PC you built me.
Yeah.
In like 2020.
I remember you had like the logo on the Kraken, the green one.
Mm-hmm.
People were bugging out over that. Yeah, so let's peel. Let's film the peel of the plastic. Let's see how clean this build actually looks.
Oh god, it makes a huge difference. Jeez, looks so good.
God damn,
Bro, it's so good.
God damn.
Looks even better.
That's what it's about. We don't get to peel too much plastic, but when we get to set things up, it's just that much worth it.
So good.
48 Tough was like meant for this case.
Oh yeah, it looks great.
If you don't mind, bro, you mind showing us around the Nuke Squad?
Yeah, for
house?
sure. Let's do it.
Let's get it.
So we'll go over here first. This is Chris's room. The master. And that just goes up to the roof right here. You know, staircase. But this is Chris's little spot.
This is the master?
Yep.
It's where the boss sleeps. We're the legend. His setup's in here too, or?
No, his is downstairs. We'll go see that too.
Oh, I bet.
Yep. Chicken Caesars. This is Nadia's room.
Whose room? Nadia?
Nadia, yeah.
She got a room here?
Mhm.
That's lit, yo.
She's moved in like a couple weeks ago.
I feel like I'm fanboying now. Guys, Nadia lives at the Nuke Squad house. Is that public?
Yep.
Yo, you heard it here first, actually. Nah, it's lit. I didn't know she moved here. That's awesome. Is she the only guest of the Nuke Squad house?
Yeah, and then Dante, can we come in your room?
Yeah.
His room.
Yo. You watching Lucky Chamu?
Yeah.
Shout out Lucky after Baka Bro shirt on too.
Watching them play that whack ass game.
You heard it here first. MW2.
Hey, Dante be on Caldera still.
I got shadow banned yesterday.
I saw that, brother. If I want you to play Warzone 2.
Yeah, they shadow banned me on Caldera. I went to Warzone 2 and found a game instantly.
Wow.
They 100% did that on purpose.
100%.
I had like 1,000 viewers watching me play Caldera.
Yeah, I saw you. Would you have like a 250 ping trying to search for a lobby?
275.
Damn.
Yo, I can't believe people are playing Caldera again, but it makes sense. There's no rebirth, right?
Nope, bro. Could you imagine if they kept rebirth? Oh my god. No one would be playing Warzone 2.
What would you say? We'll talk about this later too. But what would you say is like the biggest issue in MW2? It's just like the map and kind of the pacing too, right?
Pacing for sure. Everyone loved the movement of it. It was just so smooth and fluid, and everyone just loved it. I know the casuals like love the new game and stuff, but like
They took away the crossover, bro.
they took away the one skill gap that really distinguished the good players from like the casuals.
Yeah.
And stuff, but you know.
Well, I mean, did you try Mini Royale yet?
No.
That's like, you know, the new map that's smaller.
Mhm.
Even then, it's like I gotta play that one a little more. But
Yeah.
that might be
I just feel like it's like a fluid and like a smooth thing, and like just main thing's probably movement, and then all the bugs, people devering and stuff is mad annoying because they haven't fixed anything yet. So
Facts.
the community's just frustrated.
But yeah, this is Dante's setup. That PC we built a while ago at the crib at the old Squad house.
Mm-hmm.
I remember that turned out really beautiful.
Yeah, because you switched Booya's and his.
Yeah, because Booya's came in like chat.
Yeah, his catter, yep. Bro, and then you'll see when we go in Booya's room. Bro, his PC too, he hasn't even opened it yet. And he got it like 2 weeks ago.
No way, the one from us?
Yeah. Look, if you guys want to surprise him and set it up, you can.
I'd be down.
But yeah, this is just sitting in his box.
That box?
Yep. That's a little game PC right there.
Yeah, I'm down. Do we have tools on us?
Yeah, they're all downstairs.
Yeah, let's get the tool real quick and open it up. Oh, what a nice surprise, yo. Booya, if you're watching this, I'm so glad Destiny put me and this box right here together to save you the harm. I'm like trying to remember what the build looks like too, but I imagine it looks amazing. So that's more footage for you guys.
So the nanometer size of this and last gen are the same. Wow. So we're using powerful. They have to add more nanometers. Or I'm sorry, more chips rather.
Okay.
So like there's way more chips on here. That's why it's like it's a bigger card and everything. Next generation, hopefully they make them smaller,
yeah.
because that technology is out. Like TSMC already makes the nano chips. NVIDIA needs to just use them. So we'll see what happens.
It's because you're filming me, Glob. There we go.
Alright, so I'm on Booya's PC. You know, the one that he bought from us around 2 weeks ago, or the one that delivered 2 weeks ago. And you know, he hasn't gotten a chance to set up yet. So we're here setting it all up. So it's gonna be a nice surprise for him, especially in the new year. For him to like, when does he come back?
Tomorrow morning.
Woo! Alright, so he's gonna come back tomorrow morning and find out that we jacked his whole setup. No, I'm kidding. But nah, we're down in COD. It's gonna be lit. I'm gonna make sure the overclock's all good too. His specs are the i9 13900K, RTX 3090, 7200 megahertz of RAM. He's going crazy. Right now, a lot of the high speed like Intel builds, you have to downclock the RAM to like 6800 to avoid dev errors. So I'm probably gonna do that real quick. Yeah, while I have you, if this is a good shot, what is maybe some goals you have for the Nuke squad in 2023?
And then just keep pushing the guys to do what they're doing. The streams, they're killing it. Probably mainly just keep the YouTube channel going. We've been really trying to focus down and like get ideas going. We just hired a new creative director, and he also does like Chris's short form stuff, and he's been doing great. So just keep pushing out the YouTube content, honestly.
We're here to help you guys, man. Any collabs you want to do, like, I'm so down.
Amazing. Yeah, this is Julia's little setup. She plays. She streams on it too. Then this is Jay's room.
This is Jay's room.
He just switched his room around. This used to be like his back wall, like his stream background. But then he moved everything down. I have like hella room.
Yeah. Like,
Everybody say air paradox.
oh, what's
Yeah.
good?
Everybody say hey. So I don't know if it's the game or if it's my PC, but I'll get like the dev error code. I feel like that's the game. Cause I don't know what yeah. Like I would dev error randomly. I feel like a lot of it's the game because my old PC would do like the D dev error because you know it shows you like which one it is, and I feel like that was like a driver and everything, and I gotta make sure it's in my PC.
Are you still getting 100% CPU usage or no?
Bro,
it goes to 100.
It goes to 100.
He just like stutters.
It goes to 100. It's insane. Let me show you.
Alright, so I'm lowering his overclock. And I'm also lowering like some other things. How's everyone doing?
I had a feature in it.
Literally.
Had a
And
feature in
then
it.
last room is Chris' stream room.
This is where Nadia and Swagg were making those TikToks that were popping off. Yo, so this is the incredible 4090 PC. Yo, also the shout out he gave us at the end of the video was very kind and very dope. I don't know if you know what I'm talking about. On YouTube, he gave us a dope shout out.
Oh, really?
Yeah. But yeah, this has got the Founders Edition. I think probably one of the first Founders builds we've done with the 4090. And he's got a nice dual PC setup. That's his gaming monitor right there?
Yep.
Which one is that? 270 hertz?
Yep.
Or? Fire.
Yeah, he's getting the OLED one next month. Which also LG, they're gonna send it to him for a stream.
Woo! In case you guys don't know, LG has an OLED 240 hertz 1440p monitor coming out. A lot of people are hyped. See how that looks. The response time should be crazy. It's bad. It's bad. I can't imagine.
Zico lives there.
No way.
Yeah. But I think he's in Sweden right now. We have like a little area right here with TV. Two dogs, but they're in Texas right now with stuff.
This is their incredible basketball court where I would be playing here all day if I lived here. I'm not taking a shot, bro. Come on. This ball's wet too. Yeah, if I make this.
Why are you touching wet balls?
You gotta make that shot.
If only it was dry.
That's what I do, yo. Fix three people's PCs and then drain a shot, yo. It's the way to end it. Alright, yo, so that's gonna be it. I'm actually very happy that we did some of the stuff for Jay and for Booya. That's a great visit to Nuke Squad House. Anytime I'm here, it's always a blessing. I want to be the most useful I can to you guys.
Yep.
But yeah, how you feeling about your setup, man?
Great, man. I'm about to go upstairs and do it right now.
Is there anything you want to say to any fan of Paradox or any fan of Nuke Squad out there?
If you guys need a PC, you guys know who to hit up. You know, keep supporting Nuke Squad, man.
Well, I hope everyone has a great start to their year. Thank you so much, bro.
Cool. Thank you guys again. Appreciate it.
And we'll see you guys later.
Peace.